Okay, let's just consider the following example. We have h equal to 3 and we have an irregular boundary example. There are 4 internal node points, h equal to 3, and we have direct boundary conditions all over the boundary. On the bottom, u is equal to x cube. Here you see the description of u on the other boundaries. So it's easy for us to compute the values on the boundary points. When we are writing the difference equation for this point, it's rather easy to use the method we showed you. So we have to compute these values, and in the case, our case now, we have to the right, we have the distance here, which is going to be h, and a must be 1 because h is 3, so h is a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, p is equal to 1, q is equal to 1. And so for this node point, it's rather easy to write this symbolic expression. It's exactly as for the regular case. The same is for this node point. Then we get this symbolic expression. A little bit different is it in this case, because now the length to the right point, between the right point and the node where we are standing, is not equal to h. So we have to multiply with 2/3 in order to reach this point. So therefore we have that a, let's go back and see. So a here must be 2/3. b on the other hand is equal to 1, p is equal to 1, q is equal to 1. So in this case we can compute all these a star, b star, p star, q star, and by these formulas, and we obtain the following expression. And also in this case it's easy for us to do the same. We just stand in this point, and we note that we have to multiply with 2/3 in order to get multiply h with 2/3 in order to get the length between this node point and this. Just to make sure that we understand this symbolic expression, we are standing in this point. In this situation, we are standing in this point 2, 1. We are to the right. We have to multiply with 1.8. So this node, the value in this right point, which is 296, is multiplied with 1.8. Then we add with a value on the north. u22 is multiplied with this constant, which is 1, and this node point, the value in this node point is multiplied with 1.2, what we have done here, and we add the value in this point, which is 216, with 1, was done here. And Afterwards we subtract with 5 point the value we are standing in, the value u to 1, and this should be h square multiplied with f, and f is 0 for the Laplace equation, so we are considering the Laplace equation here. Doing the same for the other two expressions, we get 3 other equations, and solving these 4 equations we get the following solution. I can show you this. This is the solution of our problem.